egg, spinach, rice casserole or cumin, egg, spinach, rice bowl, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the spinach casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the spinach recipes and one of the most unique of the egg casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg rice recipes and one of the most unique of the rice bowl recipes. It's also called Jeera and Laal Saag Pulao. We are going to make cumin, egg, red spinach, rice casserole. We've taken around 100 grams of red spinach or amaranthus and 2 boiled eggs, which we have boiled in water for around 15 to 20 minutes and taken off the shells. 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Caramel. Saute. Garlic sauce. Put in the garlic piece. Sauce the garlic piece. Put in the ginger, put in salt taste, salt, salt thoroughly, keep on salting. Thoroughly saute mix. Put in the tomato pieces, salt, put in 2 spoons of cumin, salt and mix thoroughly. Put in salt taste, mix, thoroughly saute mix. Put in the red spinach or emerald. Thoroughly saute mix. Keep on sauteing. Egg pieces. Saute mix thoroughly. The water. Mix and let the water boil. Put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let this mixture cook for 20 to 25 minutes in the casserole. Final cumin, egg, red spinach, rice casserole, or cumin, egg, spinach casserole, or cumin, egg, spinach, rice casserole, or cumin, egg, spinach, rice bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the spinach recipes and one of the most unique of the rice casserole recipes and one of the most different of the spinach casserole recipes and one most delicious of the egg casserole recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe and press the notification button.